Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can upload TikTok video on your PC, laptop or Mac. It's real easy and it will take you a few minutes to do so, right? So first what you need to do here, you need to go on tiktok.com and log in to your TikTok account. The login button will be on the top right side, and once you're logged in, then you press on this little cloud icon that says upload video, and then you will be redirected to another page. And we need to wait for a few seconds here, and on the left side you can select the video to upload from your computer. So I will select a short video here, and then as you can see here we can put caption. So for example, test caption. Also you can put the cover or the thumbnail here, and also as you can see here you can decide who can view this video, so if it's public or your friends or the private, and also what users allowed to do on your video. So if you want to that other users can comment, duet, react or stitch, you can also leave these options and then just press post, right? And as you can see here it's posting, and if we look here, we just uploaded a new video on TikTok, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.